So, hi, my name is Meet, and I am one of the co founders of Stamurai, a speech therapy app for stuttering. I am a person who stutters myself and founded Stamurai along with Anshul and Harsh, who are also very close friends, with a mission to make speech therapy accessible, affordable, and higher quality for everyone. I am truly humbled and delighted to win and accept the ZS Prize on the behalf of the entire Stamurai team. This award is truly a validation for our idea, and we want to thank the entire ZS Prize team for this award. Thank you. So, I'm a person who stutters. I have been stuttering since I was a child, and it has had a huge impact on my life, starting from my personal life to my social life to my career choices and whatnot. During my final year of college, I had to sit for placements and give interviews, and I almost had a nervous breakdown during that period because of stuttering. And it was at that phase of my life, I came in contact with speech therapy and have been practicing self therapy on myself for over 8 years now. Around 3 years ago, I was helping Anshul, who is also a close friend and a person who stutters with his speech, when we came up with this idea that maybe we can codify the entire experience and in the process make speech therapy accessible for everyone. So we built up a very basic app and launched it on the Play Store and started to see hundreds of users coming in organically and using the app for hours on end. Since then, we have grown our team, improved on the solution, gotten speech therapists on board, and so on. Coming to the app, it consists of instructional videos to teach speech therapy exercises, tools to help people practice those exercises, and a community of users which also acts like a self help group. In a nutshell, Stamurai is trying to automate the process of speech therapy. The app is live on both iOS and Android. And till date, we have seen over 40,000 people use the app across 155 countries. Growing up, we never had access to good speech therapy. With Stamurai, it is our aim to make speech therapy accessible, affordable, and higher quality for everyone. So I think that the biggest distinguishing factor was the mentorship component. It was an honor to be mentored by Manish. He has really helped us think through the business, brainstormed go-to-market ideas with us, refined our pitch, etc., etc. And all of this has really helped to shape Stamurai's path in the past 3 to 4 months. The second biggest factor I would say would be the eminent jury. Presenting your solution in front of such big names was a really big challenge for us, but at the same time, a dream come true. Getting to know their questions, hearing words of encouragement, all of this has really motivated us to go out there and give it our best shot. And also, I think meeting them in person has sort of humanized them for us. It has made us feel that they are just people and not gods. And with the right effort and circumstances, we can also aspire to be like them. Finally, I think the quantum of the grant associated with the ZS prize really allows us to pursue moonshot ideas and take our solution to the next level. So honestly, when we first heard about the ZS prize, what really attracted us was the grant component. As an early stage venture, you are always strapped for funds, and that was the big draw. But coming in, I think mentorship from Manish has proved to be much, much more valuable. He has been instrumental in shaping the company strategy for the past 3 to 4 months. He has helped us think through the business, customer acquisition channels, expanding outside of India, and refine our pitch. He has really pushed us hard to think how we can leverage B2B both as a solution as well as a customer acquisition strategy. And that has really pointed us to a blind spot in our thinking. But more important than all of this is that we have found a friend as well as a well wisher, someone who is vastly experienced and rooting for us. We have two broad dreams for Stammeray. One is to move beyond stuttering to all other speech disorders. So 80 million people in the world stutter, but 400 million people have some speech disorder. And we want to cater to all of these 400 million. The second dream that we have is to build a world-class company coming from India. And ZS and ZS Prize can be really instrumental in helping us with both of these. So first, I think that the validation that one gets from winning such an award will really help us in B2B partnerships, hiring, raising the team morale, and so on. Second, the grant component will help us pursue moonshot ideas, be it integrating AI, ML-based exercises in the app for real-time feedback, moving beyond stuttering to other disorders faster, and build a truly world-class solution.